Good morning, friends. Coming to you semi-live from somewhere in Pennsylvania.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
I woke up pretty early this morning, about 6:30 as always, and decided to go ahead and get on the road. I had a blast last night with Blind Views and the Unibasis and Mrs. Views. Y'all are awesome. Thank you so much for having me. I had such a good time. Yeah, I am heading on down the road today to my next destination. Meet up with a couple of friends for dinner tonight. I am looking so forward to that. So I thought I'd take you along. So I decided it was time to stop for a geocache. So I pulled up my geocaching app and found a geocache in Valley Forge. And there's supposed to be a lot of founding fathers buried here. Oh, this is not what I expected. It's just this little tiny cemetery completely surrounded by construction. So interesting. But I'm going to get out, try to find the geocache, pay my respects to some of my founding fathers. And yeah, this is pretty cool. Well, that was fun. I didn't find the geocache, but it was fun. So I'm heading on down the road, listening to Totally Kathy's morning live stream as I drive. I miss the interaction, but at least I still get to hear her, and she reads a lot of the comments for me, so thank you, Kathy. That's awesome. I missed the sign, but goodbye, Pennsylvania. It was great. Hello, New Jersey. So I'm driving down the Garden State Parkway, and I found it very interesting that there was 3 lanes on the right, 3 lanes on the left. The lanes I'm in are for cars only, and the other lanes are for cars, trucks, or RVs. So I found that very interesting. Also, nobody here drives the speed limit. They all just haul ass. I have no idea why they even bother with the signs. Into Cheesequake State Park here in New Jersey. It's tonight's destination. Let's see what this will do. Looks pretty. Really pretty. Hiking trails. Awesome. Big old road. Oh yeah, I remember reading about this. You can't take a very big RV in here, that's for sure.
Turn right onto Cheesequake Park, Campground Road, then you'll arrive at your destination.
Alrighty. Campsites, huh? Alright, I am super glad I went ahead and left early this morning. This took way longer than I expected it would. But, yeah, this traffic and everything is crazy. There's so many people around here. Anyway, I went through the park and checked out my campsite that I had previously reserved, and it was a mud pit, y'all. And it's supposed to rain for the next couple days, so I decided to see if I could switch sites. The people in the office were so nice. They gave me a map of which sites were taken, so I could drive through the park and choose one that worked better for me. So I picked one and went back to the office, and they said it was a $2 charge to change sites. Not a big deal, but yeah. That's the problem with reserving these sites in these parks that I know nothing about, is you can't really tell until you get here what they actually look like. So, the one I ended up in, I think will work, I hope. So then I ran to the grocery store. Had to get a couple things for dinner tonight. Get some ice. Heading back to the campsite. This is my little campsite for the night. Well, it'll be quite lovely. Well, look who just showed up in my campsite. Glenda Merle. I guess I should say Glenda Sully, huh?
Well, she says Glenda Sully.
Hi, Glenda.
I see you found a dry campsite.
Yes.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
Hi, Marilyn.
Good to see ya.
Hi.
This is Marilyn and
Oh,
Glenda.
nice to meet you.
Oh, I'm so happy to meet you.
So I've got dinner guests tonight at my campsite. This is going to be so much fun. We're going to make some steaks and baked potatoes. We've got Pat and Daisy hanging out.
Daisy Rebel.
Daisy Rebel. So cute. They're having fun together. Look at this yummy food that Glenda brought. Thank you, Glenda.
You're welcome. Melon.
She made a lemon meringue pie. Look at that, guys. She brought some bread.
Bread with garlic butter.
Oh, that's going to be so good.
Pour that on. It's not smokers, it says there.
And Marilyn Monroe, aka Kirsten, brought us some baked potatoes. I'm fixing to throw some steaks on. We're going to feast. Look at the yumminess. Go not keto. So Miss Glenda and Marilyn Monroe just left, and as soon as they pulled out, it started sprinkling. Talk about timing. So I'm sitting here trying to keep my campfire dry. I looked on the weather. This should only last about 20 minutes, so hopefully my fire will stay going. So those two ladies were just the nicest people. Y'all, Glenda Sully is a real hoot. She is just so much fun to hang out with. I really wish I had more time to be with her tonight. I didn't know, nobody knew, but they have a rule here that all guests must exit the park by 7 p.m. So dang it, we were going to enjoy a campfire and everything together, and yeah, they had to go ahead and head back out. So, but at least I got to see them. I am thankful for that. And Marilyn brought me a little 8-inch cast iron skillet that I just love. I'm going to put that to good use. In fact, maybe tomorrow morning I will be cooking some bacon and eggs in it. We'll see. Anyway, yep. I am hanging out here somewhere in New Jersey. I wish I could tell you where, but I really don't know. Enjoying this lovely state park. It is called Cheesequake State Park, and I think I'm about, I don't know, maybe 40 minutes from New York City, something like that. Don't quote me on that. I'm right by the Garden Parkway. But yeah, I found this to be a lovely campground so far. Very peaceful, very quiet, very beautiful. Totally enjoying it. So I hope whatever you're doing today, you are also having an awesome evening, and hope it's not raining where you are, although I think it's raining pretty much everywhere. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all stay lost, my friends. Well, and then this happened. Dang it. I didn't think it was going to rain this hard. My poor fire. It's not going to make it. Oh look, I'm running the dishwasher, apparently. Dang it.